This is the first stage of a blooming calla lily. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Those are the stages that I noticed with this calla lily. Beautiful flower. If you want to have a flower, this is the one of the best flowers that you can have. This will last more than a month until it withers. It is beautiful and sophisticated as it is so pure, beautiful in white. Calla lily.